Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HCJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of having another conversation with Mark. Mark, would you like to introduce yourself?
I'm Mark Morris. I'm based in Zurich. I've been here for nearly 30 years, and I've exclusively devoted myself to automatic exchange of information since the year 2000. And I've been consultant to the EU Commission, the EU Parliament, the OECD regarding automatic exchange, as well as consulting for Tax Justice Network and various other parties. And I would say today, after 25 years, I'm the only person in the entire world that is promoting structures in 4 or 5 different territories that nobody seems to touch. But we'll go through those territories today.
Fantastic.
And I would imagine they're both open and closed-ended funds. Could you talk a bit about...
Now, gesloten means closed, and that's the one most people go for. Why? Because if it's closed, that means on Dutch law, either open or closed. An open one is subject to Dutch corporation income tax. That means the subscriptions can be sold to anybody else or new people coming in. But closed, on the other hand, is not subject to corporate income tax. Closed, an FGR is considered open if the investors are called participants because there's a participation form you fill in. And if that's freely transferable to anybody, that's called open-ended. But then you've got the negative of it being taxed. Closed-end, you need the prior unanimous consent of all the participants to transfer. So everybody must sign, you can transfer to this person, or even an outsider. But an existing participant has right over anybody else coming in and can say, I want your units. Okay. The outsiders that can come in easily are the blood relatives or direct line. Then that is still closed.
Okay.
Mark, if someone wanted to get in touch with you, what's the best way to do so?
As I travel a lot, the best way to get hold of me is via my website, co-ownershiptrust.com. And then you can email me or try to get hold of me by phone, but that depends on the country that I'm in. If they've got cell phone coverage, I go to some really remote places in the world, Falkland Islands, St. Helena, etc. So the best is via my website.